Dear viewers, welcome to my channel. In this channel, you will find videos on automobiles and auto replacement parts. I will try to give you good video gifts on this channel. Be sure to subscribe to the channel to get regular new videos and product links. Watch now. Brand new BWSP Radiator Kit Motorcycle Water-Cooled Engine. Item number 1. BWSP Radiator Kit for Diojog RS100 BWS 125GY6 Water Cooling Kit with Hoses Pump Expansion Tank. Water Cooling Kit which can be used for 2- and 4-stroke scooters. Set supplied with stainless steel radiator, fiber silicone hoses 2 pieces, 2 meters, electrical water pump, expansion tank, usable to cool down engine temperature, extends engine life. Radiator sizes, 26 cm 18 cm 4 cm. Brand name, WSP Origin, TW Origin. Item diameter, 25 cm. Item height, 15 cm. Item length, 25 cm. Displacement, ml. 0 Material type, stainless steel, rubber, plastic. Item type, engine cooling and accessories. Item weight, 2 kg. Special features, horizontal water cooling system. Item width, 5 cm. No. Of cylinders, 1 cylinder. External testing certification at 6 kg. Item width, 1 inch. No. Of cylinders, 1 cylinder. Model name, 824. Item number 2. Brand new 150cc 200cc 250cc cooling water engine radiator for quad 4x4 ATV. Condition, 100% brand new. Default color option, as picture shown. Note, due to the difference in light during the shooting, the color may be slightly biased, but not too much. Please make sure it is fit for your motorcycle before buying. Brand name, Lissy Racing. Origin, CN Origin. Item diameter, 1 inch. Item height, 1 inch. Item number 3. Motorcycle water-cooled engine for Zongshan Lifan 150cc 200cc 250cc radiator. Motos Apollo Water Box. 100% brand new. Default color option, as picture shown. Note, due to the difference in light during the shooting, the color may be slightly biased, but not too much. Please make sure it is fit for your motorcycle before buying. Brand name. Thank you for watching the video. If you want to buy these products, then see the description. Click the product links and order now. Like, share, and comment on the video. For more videos, subscribe to the channel.